Welcome to our channel where we compare different products to make your purchase decision easy. Today, we will be comparing the Epson EcoTank ET3830 and the Canon TR8620a all-in-one printer. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. The EcoTank ET3830 is priced at $399, while the TR8620a all-in-one printer is priced at $199, making the latter more budget-friendly. The EcoTank ET3830 stands out with its cartridge-free innovative printing technology, producing sharp text and impressive color photos on virtually any paper. The TR8620a has an auto-duplex printing feature which makes it convenient and saves paper. The EcoTank ET3830 comes with a 2-year warranty and can print up to 7,500 pages with replacement ink bottles, while the TR8620a boasts a 20-sheet ADF and a built-in fax machine. Both printers have a sleek and modern design that fits well into any space, but the TR8620a has a larger 4.3 LCD touchscreen for an easy user interface experience. Overall, both printers have their unique features and advantages. The EcoTank ET3830 is perfect for those looking for high-quality prints, while the TR8620a is more budget-friendly with its affordable price and convenient features. It all depends on your preference and needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thank you for watching.